Everything you can see around you, including your phone, your clothes, and even your body, is made from just four things. Can you name them? Are you still confused?
Let's break it down.
Today, you will learn the difference between atoms, elements, molecules, and compounds within a few minutes. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please click on the subscribe button and then the bell button so that you can get a notification whenever I drop chemistry made easy contents like this. The story of the tiny world. Imagine there is a tiny world where different set of little balls with different colors live. Little balls with the same color interact with themselves and interrelate with other little balls of different colors. These different little balls are called atoms. Balls of the same color are like children who belong to a family called element. The interaction of the balls is called a chemical bonding. Atom, a tiny ball. Meet Halimatu, hydrogen, and Olusegun, oxygen. They are both tiny different balls living in a tiny world. A tiny ball is called an atom. That means Halimatu hydrogen is an atom, just as Olusegun oxygen is an atom. They can relate, that is, bond with each other or other tiny balls in the tiny world. Tiny balls of the same color all behave the same way, a unique identity that shows that they belong to a family. An atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical bonding or chemical reaction. Element, a family of the same type of tiny balls. Halimatu hydrogen has many siblings who look exactly like her. They all form the hydrogen family. A family of the same type of tiny balls is called an element. An element is a substance made up of the same type of atom and cannot be split into different types of atoms by an ordinary chemical process. In essence, all atoms in an element are the same. Some examples of elements are hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, sodium, copper, iron, and gold. If you observe the images of each of the elements displayed, you will see that there are tiny balls, in essence atoms of the element, embedded in each of the elements displayed. As at the time I'm making this video, there are about 118 existing elements that has been discovered by scientists. Molecule, family members holding hands. Two hydrogen children were seen holding hands. They form a team called hydrogen molecule. A team of tiny balls from the same family holding hands, that is, bonded together, is referred to as a molecule. Notice that both children are from the same family. Definition of a molecule. A molecule is two or more atoms of an element chemically joined or bonded together. Some examples of molecules are hydrogen molecule, oxygen molecule, chlorine molecule, nitrogen molecule, and many others. Compound. Friends from different families holding hands together. Now, two hydrogen tiny balls meet with one oxygen tiny ball to form another very important team referred to as compound. The compound formed is commonly called water. Note that the tiny balls that form water are from different families. Definition of a compound. A compound is a substance formed when atoms of different elements are chemically combined together. Some few examples of compounds are water, H2O, carbon dioxide, CO2, sodium chloride, NaCl, tetraoxosulfate 6 acid, H2SO4. Take a careful look at this easy summary table. It summarizes the concept we've been talking about since. Atom simply contains one tiny particle, right? Example, we have hydrogen, oxygen, carbon atom. Then we have element. It contains one type of atom only. An example is we have hydrogen element, oxygen as an element, carbon as an element. Then we have molecule. It contains two or more atoms of the same element joined together. Example is H2O2. Then we talk of compound. It contains different types of atoms joined together. An example of that is what? H2O, CO2. Here is a memory trick to also help you remember. Think of the concept as human being. Atom equals one person. Element equals a family. Molecule equals group of people of the same family holding hands. Compound, a group of people holding hands but came from different families. Here is one sentence rule. Every compound is made of molecules or bonded atoms, but not every molecule is a compound. For example, O2 is a molecule but not a compound. Only oxygen atoms are there. H2O is both a molecule and a compound. It contains hydrogen and oxygen atoms. As a matter of fact, there are millions of molecules in a given sample of a compound, depending on the amount of the substance. It's quiz time! Please drop the correct answer to each of the questions in the comment section. Question 1. What is an atom? A. A substance made of different elements. B. The smallest particle of an element that retains its properties. C. Two or more atoms joined together. D. A mixture of substances. Question 2. Which of the following is an element? A. Water. B. carbon dioxide, C. Oxygen, D. Salt. Question 3. What is a molecule? A. A single proton. B. The smallest particle of a compound only. C. Two or more atoms chemically bonded together. D. A mixture of elements. Question 4. Which of the following is a compound? A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Sodium, D. Water. And question 5. Which statement is correct? A. All molecules are compounds. B. All compounds are elements. C. A compound contains atoms of different elements chemically combined. D. An atom is made up of molecules. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more chemistry made easy content like this. And if this content has helped you to understand the concept of atom, element, molecule and compound better, please drop your comment in the comment section. Also, let me know in the comment section if there is any topic you would want me to explain better to you. Thank you for watching.